Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to install and purchase this Flutter script already for CodeCanyon.net. Please do want to like, share and subscribe. So you just want to go ahead to open your browser as your first step. Type or search for CodeCanyon.net just the way it is. You're going to be redirected to this site. And once you're redirected to this site, you can go ahead to search for any Flutter scripts that you want to go ahead to purchase. Okay, so for today's tutorial we're going to be purchasing this DTTube video reels podcast live streaming for the applications for both Android, iOS and web. So the first thing you want to do is to read through the documentation. I totally advise that, and go to the documentation, look at the key features of video streaming, excellent, eye-catching information, so on and so forth. Do well to read through this. Once you're done with that, you go ahead to add to cart by clicking on this button. This pop-up is just a detailed screen showing you the item that you added to cart in order to start or begin your purchase. See the $69 script, then you can go ahead to click on checkout. Now when you click on checkout, you're going to be redirected to the credentials page where you just add the credentials and make a purchase directly. So but I'm not going to go through this route because we've already purchased the script and we don't want to do that second time. So once that is out of the way, I want to show you 3 important tools that you want to get in order to start running Flutter in a local machine. The first tool is Flutter itself. So go to a new tab and say Flutter. So we're going to have it here just to read this. Alright, so this is Flutter. So what you want to go ahead to do is to get started, right? Go directly to get started and the procedures that are there, and you're good to go. So the next tool we want to get is Android Studio. So Android Studio is just it's an I before a D. So we'll just go ahead and click on this. This is Android Studio, and this is the official ID for Android application development, so you can see it here. And what I usually advise is just go through Android Studio, check the IDE guides, check a lot of things, documentations about this, know your way around it. And once you're done with that, go ahead to click on this button. This button is going to show you the terms and conditions for Android Studio, and you're just going to go ahead to read all of them, control of them. And once you're done, you click on this checkbox that you've read and you've agreed to this terms and condition. Once that is done, you go ahead to click on this button, which shows that okay, go ahead to download. Okay, once that is done, you're good to go. Follow the prompts that will show, and you'll have Android Studio downloaded. And the last tool we need is Visual Studio. So Visual Studio is another integrated development environment where you can run your Flutter application through. So matter of fact, I'm going to be using Visual Studio for this tutorial. So this is Visual Studio official website. So you just go to code.visualstudio.com. You just want to go ahead to click on any of the options you want to be download. So we will get the different Windows. You can just go ahead to do that. It's a straightforward process. Once you're done with that, you're good to go. Those are the 3 tools that we need in order to run this Flutter script here. Okay, so let's dive right into the code base. Now this is the code base. I already have it here open. So what I want to go ahead to do is to connect my physical device in order to run the script for the camera. So I'm going to connect it here, and I'm going to select this. So it's already connected. So what I want to go ahead to do is to hit the Flutter command. In order to run this, so I have my this thing connected. So I just want to go ahead to say type the command just the way it is, Flutter run. So once that is done, this is my device. I'm just going to click on enter. So this is my application running already, and this is the start screen. Just so we can see it, you have the onboarding screen. As it is, you can go ahead to skip this if you want, and then we are live into the application. So literally, this is how to install and purchase this manuscript directly from both Kanye and Business. Thank you very much, and see you next time.